everyone, thank you so much for checking out our channel. And today's episode, we're going to talk about the Chauvet Professional Well STX 180 and getting them to master slave. If you're like me, I don't read manuals, so this one was super hard / easy to figure out once you get going. And since nothing wasn't on the tube of you, I decided to make this video so that if you are on a job and you need to connect these and use them for master slave, there's a quick video for you to learn how to do it. If you're new to the channel, I invite you to hit the subscribe button and like this video and check out back for more awesome content like this. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get these connected and let's get ready for our show. So first things first, you are going to want to dedicate your 5, if you have the Well STX pack. If you're only using 6, you're going to dedicate 5 of them for the slave mode, and you're going to work on those first and then your master last. All right, so once we get on the panel here, you can see it's already in slave mode, and that's what you're going to be looking for once these are all hooked up. But before we get to this part, we're going to show you how to get there. So scroll over to the wireless setting. You're going to hit enter. For receive mode, you're going to hit on. Put that to on. Operating mode, you're going to want that to be in receive mode. And then you're going to go to receive reset. You're going to click on the enter, flip on to yes, and then hit enter. And then you're going to immediately see this change from yes to no. So once you have that, you're going to mimic and do the same thing for the rest of your slave fixtures. Once you have that, then they are going to go into their setting that showed you what I showed you here with the panel. Put this one down and show you. You're going to see slave, and then you're also going to see these bars here, which shows the strength of the wireless DMX, and down shows that it is in receive mode. On my master, you'll see it pointing up, that little arrow right there at the end. You'll see that pointing up on the master, which shows it is in transmitter mode. Now on here, this is our master. As you can see right now, it is showing an auto program. And like I said, with the bars, the last thing you see, the arrow pointing up, that is transmitting our signal. So for your master, you're gonna hit same thing. You're gonna hit enter and go to wireless settings. You're gonna hit enter. Same thing, you're gonna turn on WDMX to on. Your operating mode is going to be to transmit. And then this is where you're going to hit link. You're going to hit link. I usually go to unlink and then back to link, hit enter, and let that sit for a little bit. Pretty much what it's going to do is send out a signal to the slaves to grab their connectivity and link it to this fixture. And then sometimes you get a little antsy and you want to start controlling it with your IR remote and it doesn't work. Well, what I've come to find out, if you just let it sit until it goes back to its normal screen, that's when they'll start connecting. So you'll let that sit right there. And then once you have connectivity, you can pretty much do whatever with the fixture. So right now, as you can see, it's still showing its sign that it is still running, but here in a moment, so now we have the auto mode back on, showing that everything's good. And now I just turned it off with the IR remote, and it did turn all of them off. Get those back in focus. All right, so I'm gonna throw the IR remote. So right now I'm just gonna hit the blackout mode off, and then they're gonna go back to their chase pattern that they were doing. Now I did lower the speed of this chase effect, so it did black out and fade in slower than normal. So if you do, slow down your auto programs, it does bring it in nice and slow. So that is how you master slave the Chauvet Well sticks.